What's up, guys? Tommy Shaw here. Today, I'm gonna do a review on Tai Lopez Home Sharing Management Company, also known as HSMC. Chances are you might have seen this course advertised on Facebook, YouTube, or by email. I have purchased this program, so I can give you a good overlook on what you're gonna purchase if you do decide to purchase. Before I start, if you're new to the channel, then welcome to my channel. My channel is all about helping people generate more wealth and work from home using the internet. And I also do a lot of these product reviews to let you know if the products are legit or if it's a scam. Most importantly, to help you make an informed buying decision. So be sure to click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and that way you can be notified when I upload new videos. Alright, guys. So with that being said, let's dive in the review for Tai Lopez Home Sharing Management Company. So, what is the Home Sharing Management Company, or also known as HSMC? According to Tai Lopez, it's a proven system that teaches you how to turn people's spare property into monthly cash flow, even if you're a complete newbie to real estate or home sharing. You know, it teaches you how to find these properties, set up deals with the owners, and create hundreds of passive stream of income. So basically, guys, this HMS program is teaching you, how to rent out other people's property or homes via things like Airbnb and make a monthly income doing so. So once inside the HMS program, well, let's go check it out then. All right, guys, as you guys can see, I'm in the back office for the HSMC program. So you guys can see it's digital training videos. Um, as you guys can see right away, these are training videos that are not only be taught by Tai Lopez, but other experts such as Brian Page, I believe that's his name, and Tony Galana, if that's how I say it right. And I believe there's like two other experts involved too in this program. So as you guys can see, total there are 19 license. As you guys can see, the course goes into the business model, the strategies, the numbers, you know, how to get your business up and running, how to scale your business, if this business is allowed in your city, if it'll work in your city, how to live rent free, you know, tips. Looks like this is another instructor, Brad Caro. Talks about rent properties, investments, Q&A, what how to finance an RV, um, how to find a deal, how to set up LLC and business and bank account, what to do after you get your first deal, private money lenders. It looks like there's a bonus video on, starting a rental agency and closing deal. Looks like it's taught by Tai Lopez himself. So as we scroll down, here's a video. It gives you a summary. Looks like there's a Facebook group that you can join. You can download this in the MP3. It also looks like there's a Q&A where you can ask questions or uh, answer the questions here. Right, guys. So that's what was inside the program. So now let's talk about what the costs are. So the cost, the home sharing management program, it's valued at $2,997, and also with the lifetime access to the mastermind community, which is valued at $1,997. But currently, at this day and time, you can join the program and try the program for $1 for 3 days, and after that, if you do decide to continue, it will be $9 a month or $75 a year. And you can cancel at any time. All right, guys. So the biggest question, everyone always asks and I always get is Tai Lopez HSMC a scam? In my opinion, the answer is no, because you are getting the lessons that you are purchasing along with the mastermind community. The price is actually pretty good. If you're trying to earn monthly income of $50 to $5,000 a month. But with that being said, with programs like these, you are gonna need to put in a lot of effort and a lot of hard work to see the result that you want. This definitely involves being good at searching for homeowners, making deals, negotiating, selling, pitching ideas, all that stuff. But overall, I give this a thumbs up. Especially if you're looking for like a cheap program to join and potentially earn $50 to $5,000 a month, according to the website. All right, guys. I hope you found my review helpful to you. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below your thoughts or any questions. If you'd like to connect with me, you can find me on my Facebook, Instagram. My email will be down in the description box below. Also, be sure to join my free Facebook group called the Entrepreneur Success Group, where I get free training every week. And if you liked my number one recommendation for making money online for beginners, that'll be the first link in the description box. So go ahead, guys, check it out. Thank you so much for watching my videos. This is Time Sean signing off, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.